Hello guys, this was a bit of an unexpected video, but I'm gonna do a spawner tower only challenge on expert with the bird game. Yeah, that's really it. This is gonna take a while. La la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la. Vector, oh yeah. La la la, la la la, la la la. Wow, wave 4. Mm-hmm. Subscribe to Dynamite. Yeah. Yeah. Man, what am I supposed to say? Such amazing gameplay. Wow. I really didn't want to make this video. Something wrong with my chat. Never mind. Bro, why is my chat doing that? Oh, right, I'm supposed to show it. Wow. Oh no. It's getting farmed. What are we gonna do? Yes! Go, my... Yes! Yeah, oh, he died. Oh crap, there's another one! Oh no! Oh, he died. Oh no! More incoming! Skip wave, skip wave. Oh, skip wave. Why not? Oh no, wave 10. Ooh, such a dangerous wave. Where is he? Where is he? Where's the knight? Oh my god. Here he is. We're doomed. Are we doomed? Great, they're cheating. Cheater. Yeah. Pretty wasted abilities there. Cheater. Is that knight still alive? Gee. got a 3-2 armored factory. They're not bad, not bad. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Oh, and it's dead. Oh. I'm gonna just save for his Zed. How about that? Oh no! Super heavy zombie. Good thing we got that tow missile launcher. I think that's how you pronounce it. Wait, where is it? Oh, right, it died. Go, Zealot. How are they pronounced? They died from just collision. Get that Zealot. Let's go. Multiple grenade. Multiple grenadiers detected. I'd advise to select some power to make the target last. So nope, not grenadiers. Grenadiers. Learn that off at Dynamite. Grenadier. Yes, my missile car is actually helping. Let's go. Oh no. Oh, he was able to put one shot in. Oh, poor goon. No, the goon! No! No! Poor goon. Where do I put this? I guess I could put it. The bad thing about this map is the flippin' placement. Okay, hang on. Oh wait, there's no elite grenadiers too. Hopefully they get some armor. Oh crap, that died. Go, mine said level 1. He does literally 40 DPS. I feel like he should do more than that. We have like no armored factory. This is not good. I think we're doomed, bro. Oh no. Oh goodness gracious, we just killed him. Kill that elite grenadier. He's almost dead. Actually, he's not. Oh no, no, no. He's right there. Oh. Someone dead. He's dead. Alright, hopefully barracks spam. Oh yeah, we're good. And more stuff afterwards. Yes, okay, we're good. Okay, that was real close. Sheesh. He's unable to kill them all. enough splash damage. Oh yeah, that is. Can't place it up here. I can't. I might as well upgrade the set. Whoa, that's cheating! You know what? I mean, it's not really. Why are we returning to 1x? I guess we don't see his clown armor. We're actually doing pretty well. I mean, honestly, I expected to do better. Might as well upgrade that guy. And this revived bosses. No, the goo! Hopefully I don't jinx us. What was their point in turning, like, because we actually get the oh my god, they're cheating again. You know, it doesn't. Oh no, armored runners, I'll be dead, I'll be dead. Come on, they're on. The bird gang wanted to use it. So technically this isn't a challenge because we're making it easier. But like I haven't used this single power up since like if I find a spot. So really Smashers and toxic waste zombies give no catch on hits. Local ice man. How are these guys ice? I guess they're hot. Don't really exist. Good. Might as well get super mecha. Go my dad. And go my other dad. Nice. want to watch the dudes fight predators. Honestly, I don't know why John named these guys. Like, he could have named them like Mafia. Oh no, it's someone something. There's three of them. At least you can use them to kill them. Great, they wasted another power up there. The M1X 8 grams, he's like half. Oh, yeah, he's dead. Yeah, might as well get some commanders instead. I mean, he's not gonna do much, but like, there's nothing else I could really do. Such an epic tower. Bro, this is actually kind of fun, too. Oh, wait, is there an elite grenadier? Wait a minute. Oh, yeah, I gotta kill that guy. Oh, well, now he's dead. That was some fun gameplay. At least for me. Where can I put this down? What realistically do is place more commanders. I guess he's not gonna do that. Bottom path can get him on it. But I'll main him. If anyone has watched my tier list, I'm not a big fan of top ones. I feel like I gotta give him so much stick. No. I can't place more than 4. Yeah, you're done. I want at least one bottom. That's for sure. Oh no, they died on their spot. This expert match is taking really long. Oh right, he's gotta be close to that. He's gonna die so fast to eradicate him. Go my single 2-4 mobster. Where's the Asian? I really can't see. Yep. Goodbye, Zed. I need to use commander ability. Oh, quick commander. Oh no, the poor zombies did that so bad. I don't even know what happened. Good. Let's go. Oh no, he's dead. Right now, we're attacking. The only thing I can really do is he's on only 10 days. Oh, we got over to it. Okay, we're good. There's nothing I can do. God, please. Nice. How much money did I get? Okay, I got